What is up, everyone? This is Multi-Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the exception breakout has been reached error that you may be getting on your Windows device. So let's get right into this. So all you need to do is go to your search bar, type in CMD, if you can spell it correctly, right click into it and run as administrator. Once you do this, there's two commands that you're basically going to write, and they both take some time to do, so I am going to kind of like end the process and start the other one. But the first command that you want to write is dism space /online space /cleanup -image /restore health. Once you do this, you're going to see it's going to like run a specific process, and you're going to see like a loading bar happen from 0 to 100%. I do want to kind of show it to you so how it looks like, but once you, again, I'm not going to let that process run, but once that process starts, again, it will take some time, probably like 10, 20, 30 minutes, depending on your computer's, I don't know, like capability, let's just call it. You want to basically let that happen. Then you're going to run it again for the next process. So you can see this is started. Again, I'm just going to end it to show you the next one. You're going to basically, you don't have to close it out. You're going to wait for it to go to 100%. You're going to run the next one, which the code, which is basically called sfc space /scan now. And you're going to do this. It's going to be the same thing. This also takes, this is faster, I believe, but this is going to do a verification as well to 100%. Once you do this, restart your computer. You should be good to go and not have that error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys like the video, please smash the like, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. Multi-Tutorials out. Peace.